hour paints the pilings gray. Another dawn, another day. But the engines sleep, the nets hang dry. A quiet prayer beneath the sky. We watch the fog begin to creep, while silent promises we keep. The ropes still hold, the summers bend, familiar shapes that never end. Stack crates like pews, a solemn row, where yesterday's strong currents flow. Dark night, hymn hour, the tide will sing us home. Dark night, hymn hour, no boats to sail alone. The gulls above, a feathered choir, gentle fire. Dark night, hymn hour, the tide will sing us home. The buoys like faces worn and chipped, a silent congregation gripped by waiting for a distant sound that never seems to come around. Each coil a verse, each knot a plea for what was and what used to be. The ropes still hold, the summers bend, familiar shapes that never end. Stack crates like pews, a solemn row, where yesterday's strong currents flow. Dark night, hymn hour, the tide will sing us home. Dark night, hymn hour, no boats to sail alone. Gentle fire. Dark night, hymn hour, the tide will sing us home. The heron stands, a patient king, on barnacled wood he hears us sing. Then dives, a splash, a sudden grace, a silver fish held in its place. It doesn't fight, it doesn't flee, just listens to the solemn sea. Sing us home. Dark night, hymn hour, our spirits start to roll. The gulls now chime in major key, a buoy's bright melody. Dark night, hymn hour, the tide will sing us home.